A tiny variant of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 that will launch this year in certain markets has been discussed for many months. Recent reports have shown that there won't be a substantial difference in weight between this new foldable and the Z Fold 6. Owners of the Galaxy Z Fold the 6th of May find it uncomfortable that EVS then revealed further details about its next foldable. A new Galaxy Z Fold 6 model that Samsung is getting ready to launch is apparently going to be referred to as a special edition rather than the Slim. Given its little variation in thickness, the term seems fitting. Though it is the best foldable smartphone from Samsung, other brands are continuously improving their products with bigger batteries, so the Galaxy Z Fold 6 confronts fierce competition. More affordable costs are often associated with better screens and sleeker designs. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant, which is expected to be smaller and feature a bigger display than the conventional model, has been the subject of rumors for months as Samsung plans to compete with this competition. The special release that will contain elements that Galaxy fans have been anxiously awaiting is beginning to take shape. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition may feature a stunning 200 megapixels main camera with 2x optical zoom, according to a light-hearted discussion on XEVS. The same ISOCELL HP3 sensor that is used in Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra may be used in this, according to conjecture from Sam Mobile. The telephoto camera is the only component that is still unknown. Previous leaks have suggested that the phone will retain its 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera on the back and its 10 megapixels front camera on the cover display. But it will upgrade its internal selfie camera from 4 to 5 maps, similar to the Z Fold 6. A 200 megapixels primary camera is hinted to in the blast, which means the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition may have better hardware than its recently upgraded predecessor. Details about the telephoto camera, on the other hand, are still unknown, but it's probable that additional information will arise shortly. This announcement may naturally irritate Galaxy Z Fold 6 users, particularly those in the US, since earlier leaks had characterized the new foldable as a smartphone superior in almost every area. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.